I want to share one of my favorite pages from the book Stuck Diagrams Help by Abby Covert, who's also the author of How to Make Sense of Any Mess and is the founder and one of the hosts of the online Sensemakers Club. I really enjoyed this book because it's a deep dive into one end of a spectrum that I often think about related to visual thinking work, a spectrum that has diagrams on one end and drawings on the other. Diagrams you can make with just words and shapes. Drawings incorporate the representation of people and physical objects. And there's lots of space in the middle where you can combine the two. What Covert has captured here is the emotional process of diagramming. It lets you know what the journey of creating a visual representation that helps someone will feel like. Its ups and downs, its twists and turns through these three phases that Covert has identified of exploring and then modeling and then delivering. In addition to giving you an overview of what the process of diagramming looks and feels like, it also gives structure to this section of the book. And what I appreciate about it is how it conveys something much different than just a table of contents listing would do. Yes, you can use that to get a sense for the order of the topics that are going to be explored, but that doesn't tell you what that journey is going to feel like for you. This type of diagram does. It gives you a little bit of a warning for where the highs and the lows will be, so you know what to expect, and so that you know not to get discouraged during the low points in the journey. So if part of your work involves taking people through a particular process, try creating a similar diagram yourself. What does the emotional journey through that process look like? What are the stages of it? What are the highs and lows? And then see if this type of signposting is a helpful addition when you take people through that process. If you like this idea and want to learn about all these steps here, do go check out the book and the rest of Covert's work. And for more resources on becoming a visual thinker, becoming a maker of models, check out the resources at verbaltovisual.com, which will be the first link in the description down below, where I have also linked to Covert's work. Thanks for watching.